Hello everyone and welcome back to Droove Drives. Today I'm at Grubb's Volvo in Grapevine, Texas to review this 2025 Volvo XC90 T8 all-wheel drive Ultra. Beautiful interior in this vehicle. Really nice and soft leather. You have a white interior. It's really nice. You have the Orfor Sweden crystal gear shifter, which I absolutely love if you see in any of my other videos on Volvos. Full digital gauge cluster, of course, with Google Maps right in the center. You also have Google Map integration in your screen right here as well. Quite nice. Put in reverse, and you get a 360 camera as well as a normal camera. You have Apple CarPlay in this vehicle as well. Let's go for a quick walk around on this Volvo. Beautiful open pore wood trim. $85,350 is the price on the window sticker. You have individual captain's chairs, as you can see, with tons of room. It's quite nice. Seats are real comfortable. You have cup holders down there. You also have heated seats and AC controls, as well as sunshades. Classic Volvo design. Those are the wheels. And of course this has the 455 horsepower with the four-cylinder as well as the electric motors. And you have the charging door over there. If you want to plug in the car, it says it's a PHEV. 455 horsepower, 523 pound-feet of torque. Let's go for the quick drive in this car. Go over to settings, driving. Oh wow, you've got all these modes: power, hybrid, off-road, constant all-wheel drive. Enhances steering, suspension for sportier driving. Put it in power just to see how it does. I do wish there was more controls for like the heated and vented seats, like physical controls, and not in the screen. You have ventilated heated seats, as you can see there, and you also have a heated steering wheel, which is expected in the Ultra, an $85,000 SUV. The thing with these recharge products from Volvo is they have a ton of low-end torque. They are very zippy. Even this giant SUV right here is very zippy in a parking lot. Get back and forth for where you need to go pretty quickly. And I'm going to be getting a video on the 2025 Volvo V60 T8 Recharge Polestar engineered very soon, which I'm very excited for. That's one of my favorite vehicles on sale today. If I got a Volvo, it would be that. I absolutely love that car, so I'm very excited to get that video, so stay tuned for that video. As I love Volvo's recharge cars. They're all so cool to me. I didn't even know recharges had this kind of power. Or not recharge, just T8. Forget the recharge, but just T8. Like, that is quick. It just threw my phone back and me back in my seat. But yeah, I do wish there was a little more space in the cup holders. They're real shallow. Kind of hard to really put like your cups there, bigger cups, and also your phone's gonna flop around in that thing. You also have blind spot alert on the mirrors, as you can see. But yeah, the seats are really comfortable, and yeah, I just really love the pickup. You wouldn't, these are kind of sleepers. You wouldn't expect them. Like I'm telling you, I had no idea when I saw the window sticker for the first time on a T8, and I was like, oh my god, it has 455 horsepower. I was like, goodness. Obviously that's with the electric motor, help of the electric motors, but still, that's awesome. It's very impressive to see that kind of power from a Volvo. Yeah, I don't think most people even know that they're this powerful in the T8s. I like it a lot. Acceleration's effortless. It's just so quiet in here. Really smooth. Volvos really do a great job of exuding luxury. I love that. And I'm very excited to also review the 2025 .5 XC90 refresh. They're doing another refresh for the 2025. If you've probably seen it, The front fascia is different. You have a way bigger screen. You have the Volvo logo is different. The rear taillights are, it's the same shape, but the taillights are updated with a more LED looking, with more advanced LED taillights, lighting technology. But yeah, this is a really nice car. Really great to relax in, spend time in. It's an awesome vehicle. See the turning radius, pretty good. Wow. I'm telling you, I can't get over that acceleration in these in this T8. So nice. And as you can see, you have the camera mirror up there too. I just love the crystal gear shifter. It's gorgeous, so elegant. And I love when the Google Map, I love how the Google Maps in the center of the display. It's a Google infotainment system and a Google gauge cluster. Because the gauge cluster before Volvo went to this one was kind of outdated and it was really laggy, but now it's not laggy at all anymore. Like, probably know what I'm talking about. Like, even before the gauge cluster before this, when you turn it on, the gauges are really slow. Even though it's digital, they just really slow to respond. It just looks super laggy and weird. But now this one doesn't have any lag. It's way more seamless. And this XC90 design has been out for a really long time, but you know, it's still elegant. It still holds its own, and it's good that Volvo's facelifting it. But for the 2025.5, basically the second facelift doing this model year. But this one still holds its own pretty well. And obviously the XC90 is known to be one of the safest, if not the safest, three-row luxury SUV on the market. Volvos are known for their safety and elegance and reliability and everything. I mean, and Volvo safety and elegance and what do you call, just the overall package. I really like Volvos, and I really like this XC90 T8 all-wheel drive Ultra. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo in the description below to shop for the 2025 XC90, and stay tuned for more Volvo and other vehicle content.